Hello everyone, and we're back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. So, I did a little bit of research, and I found out that I'm a fucking idiot. And if I just looked at a map, which is so readily available here, I find that there's a little doorway right there that I missed. I don't know what it is. Sometimes when you're playing video games and talking, I lose sight of things. The peepers don't work as well. Oh yes. Solid. Then use hydro displacer. Suck up the water. Yeet. Damage. Moving on. Finally use this now. Which I can finally switch those out for something a little more useful. Whoop. Hooray, puzzles. It should be simple. There we are. Would you believe me if I said that I am surprised whenever I figure that out. Whenever I figure out those puzzles, because occasionally I'm just like, let me just turn it this way and see if it does something. And then it does something. And then I'm like, huh. Tickled me surprise. I don't be walking going through water. It's like tough. So good to not have to breathe anymore, to hold your breath underwater. Because that damn beeping sound that comes when you're about to die. It's so annoying. Oh shit. Okay, go! These ways of our ancestors spin to wheels. Alright. A little indicator on the bottom right that there's a hidden bolt. A bunch of hidden bolts somewhere. Let's see, gadgets. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Where is it? There we are. Get some more monies. Some more monies. 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 Alright. Come on, give me the cash. Now, technically this is like the HD remaster for the PS3. And I just noticed that they changed the sound effect of the fucking metal detector. Because it used to be like a now they changed it to like an actual beeping. Don't know how I feel about it. And again, I don't really remember being that annoyed with the other. Oh Christ! No! It's been a very long time since I've been on this stage. Oh yeah, all these yellow ones tilt. Let's go. Give me the monies. Ah, shit the bed. This one's annoying. Okay. Alright, let's just deal with this outside one first. Quite puzzling. That's what passes for humor nowadays. Oh. Oh, wait. Am I almost smart? This last one is really bugging me. Rustling my jimmies. Messing with the jimmies. Ah, there we go. Success! Alright. That means... Yes. I love the wallop. Funny because through all of my childhood, it's the one weapon I use like the least, aside from all the utility weapons, novelty ones. I don't know if it counts as novelty, but it's actually like practical. It has a legitimate use. Use it because it's better than your wrench. I think it's in one of the later games or later in this game. You get a like a little. Yeah. Sorry, my brain is inside. Oh, that's bad. And so fast. Thank you, truck outside, for making a bunch of noise. But yeah, like, it just lets you like do this underwater. Man, I could really use that. I hate having it just like slow. Alright, let's see how much... Oh, look, right at the end. Awesome. A thing I've noticed, this is... As long as I've drawn this series out, it is not a terribly long game. More puzzles. That works. Oh. Alright. Almost. Let's go. Hey, a dude.
What are you doing here?
I'm searching for a very elusive and secret substance.
Raritanium?
Maybe?
The oceans on this planet are said to be an excellent source of that element.
Well, not anymore. All that toxic dumping has obscured any trace of it. You will find raritanium for me.
No, I will not.
Piece of junk. My latest invention, the Persuader. I intended to use it to control minds, but, well, the only thing it's got me so far is a discount from Gadgetron vendors.
Hey, I could use that.
Well, I'll trade it for
That's
some
pretty
raritanium.
helpful.
I believe planet Hoven is a source of that element.
Our long-range sensors do not detect raritanium on this planet. Our database indicates that the closest to locate this one is on planet Hoven.
Okay. That guy will give us a discount. Sweet. Alright. Back up. Sweep. And I believe we're pretty much done with Poketaru. Like, there's definitely things to do, like, underwater. But I'm not sure what they are. And I'm pretty sure it's just swimming around like little fishes. Okay. Into the ship. Whee. Oh yeah, while Ratchet is pissed at Clank, Clank has to just like yeet himself onto the ship. Alright. So that'll be the end of this episode. Had a lot of fun. Hope you all did too. See you in the next one.